I'm still expecting a price to push down further, and I'm expecting a good pullback from 1.618 retracement right here. So as you can see, the price successfully hit 1.618 retracement. I'm now expecting few green candles from here. We can get a push up to 50 EMA and then bearish engulfing pattern. So how nicely the price pushed up from 1.618 retracement. As you can see, we have the swing high bearish engulfing pattern. That is my sell signal. The way you can enter this type of trades is right at the close of this candle, and the ATR of this candle is 4.6. Targets can be 4.6, something like this, or what you can do, you can keep your take profit to above the wick and go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Awesome. Move exactly as predicted. So as you can see, with this pullback from 1.618 retracement, and I was waiting for the conditions. Now once I have a condition, there is no ifs, there is no buts. Once I have a condition, I enter my trade. Now it's up to you if you want to enter with a pullback, if you want to enter in a market order. If you're an aggressive trader, you enter straight away. If you're not an aggressive trader, you wait for the pullback, but that's totally your own choice. As you can see, the price has nicely pushed down, hitting our take profit 1 and take profit 2. One ATR was take profit 1, and then the take profit 2 was a little bit bigger than take profit 1. I've already sent this trade alert to my members yesterday that we have an entry condition right here, as you can see on your screens. And with that, once there's conditions, I do not hesitate to enter my trades. So that is a good example of entering trade with the conditions. Patience and conditions are really important in trading. Now what to expect next from here. So now at this point, as you can see, the price has now made a new low right here. At this point, I'm still paying attention to the zone right here in green, which is 1.825 goes up to 1.963, a zone from where I want to enter my buy trade using engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. Pin bars is also one of my entry condition, 382 candle as well. Now this is a zone from where I'm paying attention to take my counter trades. Now before that, we can also expect a pullback from here. If we get a pullback followed by a bearish engulfer, again something like this, if we have that condition, I'm going to enter another short again. So I'll wait for a pullback here on 4-hour time frame. If you're trading on smaller time frame, you can look for conditions on smaller time frame, but I personally wait for a pullback here on 4-hour time frame followed by bearish engulfer. In that case, I will go short again using 1 ATR for my target, for my initial targets, and then I manage my trade further. So that is what I'm looking at. If you have a pullback, enter short. If you have no pullback, hit of this zone, look for buying condition I've just mentioned. So keep an eye here, wait with conditions, and enter your trade once confirmed. Let's check gold. Right here, what do we have? As you can see, the price was right here. We had a pullback followed by bullish engulfer at this area of value, and now the price is pushing up from here. So at this point, I'm expecting a good push up from here and then a good pullback. Once we have that, I will only look for long trade, which is my pullback entries, until the price hit the next level of major resistance, which is 2037, that goes up to 2052, a zone from where I will look for my sell trades. Only for now, the price has turned bullish, has broken above the zone here, broken above 50 and 20 EMA both. All I want to see pullbacks, bullish engulfers, and keep on taking longs until the price hit my level above here in red. So keep an eye here, enter with conditions. Only once we have a condition, we are good to go long only, not selling gold at this point. Let's check silver. Silver is now pushing up, heading towards the level of trend continuation zone, which is 24.02, goes up to 24.60. This whole zone is my buying area. Once the price hit this zone, I will look for one of the entry condition like bearish engulfers, my double tops, inverted hammer, pin bar, or 382 candle, whatever you call it. Once the price hit this zone, I will start to look for my sell trades only. Now as you can see, this bullish engulfer is not one of my entry pattern. Even though the price pushed up from here, this is not a valid condition as it invalidates one of my rule, but I still look for bullish trades only with some pullbacks. I'm expecting a pullback followed by bullish engulfer as long as the price keep on pushing up, hit this zone, and as long as price give me a signal to sell from this zone, inside this zone, I will take my sell trade. So look for the conditions for buy with the pullback, bullish engulfer, sell with the push up, with bearish engulfers, double top or pin bars. So let's check Palladium here as well. Getting some messages from traders who do analysis here on Palladium. Is now in a major level of support right here. As you can see, price recently pushed up from here massively and now came back to the zone again. So at this point, I'm expecting a good push up out of Palladium. The zone is 1329, goes up to 1365. from where I'm expecting a very good push up from Palladium. All I want to see, good reason to enter like bullish engulfers from this area, or bullish engulfers. If this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, that will be a good buy signal or an entry condition within this zone I've just mentioned. Bullish engulfers, double bottom, pin bar is my entry condition. So now is in the buying area. I'm expecting a good push up. Price is now oversold as well, so that is what I'm expecting, a push up from Palladium. So if you're trading this commodity, then wait for the condition to enter long only. So the last one we have crude oil. Now I'm still paying attention for crude oil to hit my termination zone. It still did not hit the termination zone right here, which is in my double bottom rejection area. Once the price hit the rejection area, give me a reason to enter like bullish engulfers, pin bars. I will then enter my buy trade. And let's say if the price won't give us a reason to enter on 1 hour time frame and starts to push up, then we can get another fall from 20 EMA and possible formation of double bottom here on 4 hour time frame. So in both cases, in 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, I'm only looking for my double bottom pattern, as we did not get any sort of bullish engulfers. I want to see a push up to 20 EMA, pullback, and a possible entry confirmation. So that is it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.